guys, it's Helena. So today I wanted to show you a really cool new refillery / zero waste grocery store located in Greenpoint, Brooklyn, and it's called Maison Jar. It opened up this summer and it's become one of my favorite go-to spots for zero waste groceries to reduce my waste when purchasing produce, but also home good items and cleaning supplies. So it's really a neat spot, and it's exciting to see more of these zero waste grocery stores opening up in Brooklyn and around the city. It's definitely become more accessible and easy for me to personally shop in bulk and to restock on different items. I really hope that there are more zero waste refillery grocery stores that start opening up to make it more accessible for everyone to be able to shop in this way and to have access to local produce, to organic produce. So yeah, it's really exciting that this spot has opened because there are a lot of families around this area, and yeah, I really wanted to show you a little tour. So let's get started.
Maison Jar is located right off the Nassau G in Greenpoint. When you walk in, there's clear steps on how to get started, and pretty much you just weigh out your container if you're bringing one, and everything is ready for you to fill. There's fresh produce and bulk food items. So here I brought my own container and I weighed it out, and you just write it on the container. In the back, they have this really great section of home good items like bulk soaps, hand soaps, shampoos, conditioner, lotions, everything that you could imagine that you need in a bathroom, they pretty much have that. They also have charcoal sticks. They also have dish soap blocks and a bunch of other zero waste items as well, such as toothpaste, deodorants, they have a dedicated spice and teas section, so you can easily refill on all of your cooking ingredients. They also have a section for liquid cooking ingredients that you might need, such as olive oil, soy sauce, vinegar, and more. They also have kombucha on tap in a few different flavors. They also have a bunch of different glass bottles and things that you can use from their store and return them for a discount. I was filling up some Earl Grey tea here, and I brought this old container before, which was previously weighed out, so it's just really easy to restock in bulk on loose leaf teas and not have to worry about any extra packaging. This section is probably my favorite. They have a freezer full of package-free bulk food items such as frozen fruit. They have mangoes, frozen strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and also some other ice cream options, but they're not vegan from what I could tell. Anyway, this is amazing because I've always felt bad when I have to get frozen fruit and they're always in plastic bags. This is the first ever frozen fruit section I've ever seen. They have really convenient shovels so you can shovel them into your containers, and it's just great. They also have nut machines so you can make your own peanut butter or almond butter. There's a bunch of bulk food for nuts, flours that you might need for baking, different grains, oats, rice, different types of pasta as well, all in bulk containers. They also have a great selection of snacks like dried fruits, dried dates. Definitely tend to stock up a lot on dried dates, which are often in plastic packaging, so this is great. They also have a really great system set up for clean tongs and ladles versus used, so once you are done, you can put them in the used section, and it just makes it really easy and neat to get all your snacks. They also have a great produce section. They have tofu in jars, so package-free tofu, and they also have a lot of organic fruit options and things as well. They also have a cool rent section where you can rent out kitchen gadgets such as ice cream makers and then return them in case you don't actually need them all the time in your kitchen. As you can see, Maison Jar has pretty much thought of everything, all the bulk food items that you need that you can get without dealing with plastic or waste, and it's just an all-encompassing place.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing this zero waste bulk grocery store tour of Maison Jar. I hope you have a great day. Please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.